Esta es una historia. ¡Otto! ¡Vámonos! Adiós. Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Eco Adventures. It's your friendly local guide, Jaciel Peña. Nestor, cheers from Difusión, and Adri. Hola Adri. Hello. How are ya? Okay guys, so this is a spontaneous adventure that just came out. We were going to do some pictures. Actually, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go take some pictures of our motorcycles, which we'll be having soon for rentals. This is a 190 XR and this is a 150 XR. And we decided to do an adventure to La Reforma, the waterfalls of La Reforma, which are a beautiful place, and you'll see some of the imagery which we're going to be filming as well, and just really an adventure. So follow us, join us for this adventure, and let's have a great time. You guys ready? ¿Listos?
Listos.
Vámonos. Let's go, let's go. We have about 1.5 hours drive to get there, so vámonos. And a big surprise, guys, for those that don't know, the distance between Oaxaca City and Puerto Escondido is only 240 kilometers, but it takes about 8 hours to get there through the road that we took here, which is San Pedro Mixtepec. All right, so we're pretty much just getting supplies, water supplies, and we're gonna head out now to La Reforma. Do you know how many kilometers from here to La Reforma? Okay, ¿tú vas midiendo?
Sí, vengo midiendo, mira.
Otto.
Llevamos 16 kilómetros desde que salimos de la Omar hasta acá.
Otto's recording the distance. So far, 16 kilometers from Puerto Escondido's University del Mar to San Pedro Mixtepec, which is the entrance to the waterfalls of La Reforma and Enchanted Waterfall, which is absolutely gorgeous. I haven't been there in a while, so I'm really excited. Adri, how are ya?
Yeah.
Man, we came to waterfalls, but we're having some technical problems here. Otto has a flat tire, or I don't know if it's a flat tire or the wheel, el rin, I don't know if it's the same thing, kind of split it from the tire. But anyways, we're gonna try to make the best that we can make out of the evening and see if we can still go to the waterfall. We don't know what's gonna happen now because we had plans for pictures and everything, but we'll see if we can even make it to the waterfall. There's still like 20-minute more drive to get there, so yeah. All right, so at this point in the middle of nowhere, around 20 kilometers, I think. Let's see how many kilometers. We drove 12 kilometers from San Pedro Mixtepec, 16. 16 kilometers from San Pedro Mixtepec. We're in La Reforma. This is the town of La Reforma. It's a beautiful, very beautiful town, and the waterfall is still about 20 minutes away. I don't know how many kilometers, and unfortunately Otto's motorcycle is flat, completely flat, and we can't find a mechanic who can fix the tire. So we're gonna go and have something to eat. What's going on, brother? ¿Qué ole? ¿Cómo estás? So we're gonna go get something to eat, and let's see what happens next. I'm glad they have like hamburguesas. ¿Qué ole, raza?
What's up?
Nothing. Oh man, they got a really good menu here, bro. Look at that. In the middle of nowhere, you can find like an extensive menu. And hola. How you doing, Otto?
Muy bien.
No.
Tratando de remediar un accidente.
Asimilar la situación.
Sí. Sad. Sad situation right now, but we'll see how we're gonna fix it. And what do you say? Are we still going to La Reforma or not? ¿Vamos a ir o no?
Sí, claro, sí.
Ánimo, so.
Hopes,
Hopes and spirits are up.
No le cae el ánimo.
Healthy, keeping a healthy diet. There were no hamburgers, so we got the Mexican version, tortas. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Usted? David. So we found David here so we did have a flat tire. Where is it? Is this one? That's the flat one? Acá. Oh. Aquí, so this is
the mistake.
This is the mistake. That's the problem. But thankfully we found David. We should be ready to go to La Reforma. Hey guys, so after all that incident with Otto's motorcycle, we finally got it fixed, and then we made it to, we're actually on our way to La Reforma. But we found this nice stream getting there, and we decided to take some pictures of the bikes. Nestor's shooting us from over there. And well, I'm gonna move myself because it's Otto's turn to get some pictures. Hey guys, how's it going? We finally made it to La Reforma. This is the entrance after 38 kilometers from Puerto Escondido, which is a distance that we were able to get on our motorcycles, and we did about 16, half of them through this like off-road. It's really amazing. On the motorcycles, it's fascinating. I loved it. We finally made it here. Now we're gonna go walk to La Reforma. I'm gonna be videoing the way, and then I'll just use whatever percentage of battery, which is like 12-15% left. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share it with the people. We're gonna be posting more about Puerto Escondido, so if you like the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. How you doing, Otto?
Hey, todo bien, todo bien.
Huh?
I'm good. Mira, carnal.
¿Qué onda?
Es este. We finally made it to the waterfall of La Reforma. Miren qué bonito. Look how beautiful this place is.